Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a Sudoku puzzle book for Amazon KDP. Now without further ado, let's get started. First is I'm gonna need you to open up your computer browser and head on to this website right here, that is opensky.ca, or you can just simply search on the search bar Sudoku generator. So it will lead you to this website right here. So next is I'm gonna set the number of puzzles. So I'm just gonna say 50, and the number of puzzles per page, let's just say 4, and the difficulty, let's set it to easy. So I'm gonna make a 50 puzzles for easy, 50 puzzles for medium, and 50 puzzles for hard. So let's just set this into 1 right here, and as you can see right there, just hit on include solutions. So I'm just gonna click on go right here, and it will automatically generate right here. So let's save this one up. So this is easy Sudoku, and next is I'm gonna generate another 50 medium Sudoku. So let's just rename this again into medium Sudoku. And next is let's go to hard. So I'm just gonna go right here. It will lead me to this website, page again. Let's say hard Sudoku. And next, let's check on what we have saved so far. So as you can see right here, these are the Sudokus that I have actually saved. And I have a total of 150 right about now. Right here, and these are the solutions. So next is, once we have done that, let us set up our reference image so we can actually make a cover. So to do that, we have to go to KDP calculator right here, or you can just simply search for Amazon KDP calculator and open up the first page right here, or the first result that shows. So right about here, you can select any type that you actually want. So I'm just gonna say the binding type. You can have the hardcover paperback. So for now, I'm just gonna select paperback, and the interior type, let's set it to black and white, or let's just set it to standard color. And the next is the paper type. So I'm just gonna select white paper right here, and the page turn direction, you can actually have it to left to right or right to left, so it's up to you. So I'm just going to leave it to left to right here. And the measurement units is in inches, and the interior trim size, you can have it to any size that you actually want. So for now, the basic KDP Amazon books have a measurement of 6 by 9 inches. So I'm just going to select this one right here, and the number of page, let's just say I have a total number of, let's just say 170 pages. So I'm going to calculate dimensions right about here, and as you can see, these are the dimensions we will gonna use so that we can actually have a reference for Canva. So I use Canva right here to make a cover of my book. So I'm just gonna download template right here so we can have a reference. So let's just save this one. So I'm just gonna say reference image, and next is make sure to zip the file or unzip the file right here that we have just downloaded. Make sure you have an extract tool. So I'm just going to extract it right here, and this is the reference we will gonna use. Now next is I'm gonna go to my browser and of course go to Canva, and next I'm gonna go to create a design and go to custom design right here, or custom size. So next, the width is you should follow this one right here, because we are making a full cover. You can actually follow this width right here and make sure that this is in inches. So next is we're gonna copy this one right there, and the height, make sure to follow this one as well. So once you have done that, just click on create a new design right here, and it will automatically lead you into creating a canvas right here. So what I actually do is I use a lot of things right here to actually have some cover. So first is to upload the reference image. So I'm just gonna upload files right here, and as you can see, this is the reference image that we have just downloaded on the KDP cover calculator. So I'm just gonna select this one and hit on open. So there you have it. It is now downloading. And once it is done, just simply click on it and just simply right click on the photo itself and just select set image as background. So here I want to make it transparent so we can actually work on the blank canvas with at least the reference image on it. So next is we want to add some text right here on the cover. So let's just say we want to add a Sudoku puzzle text, or the title of the Sudoku puzzle text. So what I normally do is I go to ChatGPT and I will ask ChatGPT to give me some titles of a book about a Sudoku puzzle book. So as you can see right here, I'm gonna say, can you give me a title about a Sudoku puzzle book? So I'm just gonna click on answer, and it will generate some answers right here. So as you can see right here, ChatGPT has given me not just one, not just two, but a lot of answers right here. So all you have to do is to choose what you want. So I'm just gonna select let's just select this one, Sudoku Mastermind, a collection of mind-bending puzzles. So I'm just gonna copy this one. And of course, next is I want to add a text box right here, or we can just simply add a heading. So once I have done that, I'm just gonna delete the text on the add a heading and just simply paste this one. So as you can see, we have done that actually right about there. And next is I will now resize the image. So you can actually resize the text, rather, not image. I will resize the text. You can actually drag this one right here, or you can actually drag this one right here to make it a little bit more longer. So right about there, that's perfect. And now I'm gonna resize it to whatever I want. So next I'm gonna put right here. And next is I want to change the color of the text. So just simply go to text color right here, and of course select the color of the text that you actually want to have. So for now, I'm just gonna go to blue or violet right here. So let's just go to blue right here. So I'm gonna say change all right about there. That's perfect. And next is I want to add some design right here, or a graphic that simply says this is a Sudoku puzzle book. So I'm just gonna go to elements again, and under search elements, just simply search for Sudoku right about there and go to graphics. So as you can see, we have a lot of Sudoku puzzle book. Sudoku graphics that we can actually add in our cover book. So I'm just gonna select this one right here. That's perfect, and I'm gonna resize that. I'm just gonna drag this one right here. And now you can simply edit the image, or you can just simply add some color to it. So once you just click on the image and click on this 2-color template that actually is in the side, this one. So I'm just gonna, let's change this to blue, because I'm using a blue template in mind. So let's just select that one, and as you can see, it is now good. And next is let's just simply, no, that's not right. So I'm just gonna select white right here, and it is now good to go. So next is we want to add something right here. So let's just add some lines right there. So I'm just gonna search for lines under elements, of course, and as you can see, we have a lot of lines right here. So I'm just gonna go to let's select a line right here. That is perfect. So I'm just gonna select this one and just simply drag that inside the reference image, or where you actually want it to be. So I'm just gonna change this image to blue right about there. That's perfect. So next is I want to add a description right here on what we actually are selling. So I'm just gonna ask ChatGPT again to give me a description about a Sudoku puzzle book. So I'm just gonna say, can you give me a brief description about a Sudoku puzzle book? So I'm just gonna hit on enter, and it will generate me some description, hopefully. So as you can see, ChatGPT has already generated me a description right here. So if you want to stop generating, just click on stop generating right here. So as you can see, this is the description that ChatGPT has actually given me. So I'm just gonna copy this one, and I'm gonna go back to the Canva, and I'm gonna head on text, and now I'm gonna select add a little bit of body text. So I'm just gonna drag this one real quick right here, and I'm gonna delete this one. And of course, I'm just gonna paste what we have actually copied from ChatGPT. So as you can see right about here, we can actually drag on the side to make it look longer right there, and we can actually make it look smaller. So I'm just gonna put it in the middle right about here, or at the down right here. So make sure that the barcode right here has a space, because this is where your barcode should actually be in. So if you have a barcode in mind, just simply put the barcode right about here. So for example, let's just say I have a barcode. I'm just gonna say example barcode right about there, and let's just say this is the example barcode we actually have. So I'm just gonna put this down right here. That's about it. Right there. So next is I want to add some elements or some cover right here. Let's just add a simple notebook or a pen or some educational stuff we can actually use. So let's just, or we can add a brain graphic right here. So I'm just gonna select brain. I'm gonna go to graphics right here, and as you can see, we have a lot of brain graphics we can actually use. So let's just choose this one right about here. And I'm gonna put it right there. I think that's perfect. So next is we will actually, if you want to edit this photo, you can actually add it right here, and we'll open this one. You can add some filters, or you can have some magic eraser, so it's up to you. So as you can see, if you are now actually decided on this is what you want, or let's just say if you want to add a background, just click on the blank text right here, or the blank space inside the canvas. Just go to and just simply delete it, and next just simply click on the background right here, on the blank background, and just simply add the color of the background that you actually want. So for example, right about there, you can actually do that, or you can actually select a background photo. So I'm just gonna select elements again. I'm just gonna select or search for background photos. So next is go to photos. So as you can see right here, we have a lot of background photos we can actually add to our cover book. So let's just select this one right here. I think this is good, and I'm just gonna right click on this, and I'm gonna say set image as background. So there you have it. We have now created our cover for our Sudoku puzzle book. So next is to simply export this one. So I'm just going to show you how you can actually export this one, so that KDP right here will actually recognize right here. So I'm just going to go to share right here, and go to download, and make sure the file type is PDF standard. So the file type should be PDF standard, because Amazon KDP only recognizes PDF files. So next is actually download this one. Just wait for it to download, and just save it somewhere in your desktop or on your folders right here. So I'm just gonna select cover photo right here, and I'm gonna hit on save. So next, as you can see, we have already saved this one. And next, all we need to do is to upload everything that we have done, from generating some Sudoku puzzles to creating a cover photo. So we will upload this. So we will upload everything. So next is I'm gonna go to Amazon KDP, And next is I'm gonna hit on create right here. So it will load. So next is what would you like to create? So just simply click on create paperback. And next is to choose your paperback's primary language. So I'm just gonna select English right here, or you can actually select a language what you're actually making. So next is the book title. So as you can see, this is the title that we have actually selected. So I'm just gonna copy this one and of course go to the book title. I'm just gonna paste that. And next, subtitle. So you can actually add some subtitles. So this is mainly optional, so if you don't want to add, you can actually do that as well. So next is series. So if your book is part of a series, add series details so readers can easily find the titles on a single page. So if your book doesn't contain any series, so if this is your first time uploading or just publishing a book, just don't mind this one. And next is the edition number. So as you can see, if your book already has a previous edition and you are actually making a new edition of your book that is currently for sale in Amazon, just put the edition number right here. So for now, I'm not going to do that because this is the first edition and I'm going to upload on KDP. So next is the author. So make sure to type in your name, your complete name. So next is the contributor. So if someone contributes on making your book, just simply add them right here. So you can simply click on the down button right here and just simply select what they have done to the photo or to the book. So next is I'm gonna add some description. So let's go to ChatGPT again and just simply copy this description and just simply paste this one right there. So that's perfect. So next is publishing rights. So just simply click on I own the copyright and I hold necessary publishing rights if you want to own the copyright. So if this is a public domain work, just simply select public domain right here. So basically, if you have made your own cover, if you made your own book, that is your own copyright. So I'm just going to select own copyright right here. So next is adult content only. So if your book contains adult content, just click on yes right here, or if not, just click on no right here. So next is primary marketplace. So choose the location where you expect the majority of your book sales. Changing your primary marketplace after you publish may impact your list price. So please confirm your list price before publishing your book. So all you have to do is to choose a location where you expect the majority of your book sales. So for now, I'm just going to select Amazon.com. So I believe this is in the US. So next is categories. So choose up to 3 categories that describe your book. So you must select your primary marketplace and audience first. As you can see, we have selected our audiences right here and primary marketplace. So it's now time to add categories. So I'm just going to select choose categories right here, and the categories we can actually select. Let's go to so for example, let's just select teen and young adult. So the subcategory you can actually have an education reference. So if you want to add more categories, you can actually do that right here by selecting add another category. So I'm just going to save category right here, and next is to choose up to 7 keywords. So I'm just going to select go back to ChatGPT again, and I'm just going to say give me 7 keywords about a Sudoku puzzle book. So next, it will generate me some keywords. So as you can see right here, it has given me 7 keywords. I'm just going to copy everything right here, right there. So let's just say we have copied everything right here. So as you can see, we have done everything we have actually do in paperback detail. So next is I'm gonna click on save and continue right here, so we can go to the next step, that is content. So under content, we will now start uploading our content on the book. So next is go to publish without an ISBN. So this is for low content books like notebooks, planners, journals, and other similar works don't require ISBN. So if your book contains like Sudoku puzzles or some fiction or non-fiction, just use my own ISBN right here. So as you can see right about there, so just simply select an ISBN of your type. So next is the set publication date. So next is to you can actually set a publication date. So this is simply optional, so you can choose the date where you want to actually publish your book. So next is the print options. So as you can see right here, we have the default options selected below are based on the most common selections. So you can have a black and white interior. You can have a black and white interior right here with cream paper and standard color interior and some premium color interior. So for now, I'm just gonna select black and white interior, and the trim size, make sure that it is equal to what we have actually selected right here. It is 6:9 right here. And next is you can actually have a no bleed right here, or bleed for PDF only. So if you are planning to print this one, make sure that it is no bleed. And what is the cover finish? You can actually have it matte or glossy. So next is to upload your paperback manuscript. So just simply go to upload paperback manuscript and just simply click on the content that we have actually generated earlier, like the Sudoku right about here. So I'm just going to select open. As you can see, it is now uploading. So we'll just wait for upload to finish. You can see it is now successful, and I'm gonna upload another one right here. Next is we'll upload the medium Sudoku. So next is we're gonna upload the last manuscript, this hard Sudoku right there. So let's just wait for the upload to finish. As you can see, we have uploaded all of our content or manuscript right here. And next is to launch the book cover. So let's just upload a cover you already have, or if you want to launch the cover creator on Amazon KDP, you can actually do that. But for now, let's just upload a cover you already have right here. So next is upload your cover file. So let's just select the cover photo that we have actually made using Canva. So as you can see, it is now saved successfully, and if your barcode or if your cover photo contains a barcode, just click this one, or if not, just unclick this one. So as you can see, we have added a barcode right here, so I'm just going to click that right now. So next is to go to launch previewer. So just select on launch previewer so we can actually have a preview on what we have actually made so far. So as you can see, it is now preparing your files. So this may take a minute, so all you have to do is to wait for this. So as you can see, we have now opened the preview right here. So if you have a lot of errors right here, so if it says if your book has errors, it won't meet our quality standards. So to publish your book, you will need to fix the errors. So you have some option that that allows Amazon KDP to scale your file to match your book's trim size, or you can actually change the trim size yourself. So if you are in a hurry, just select have us try to scale your trim size right here, and automatically they will actually trim it for you. So next, once we have done that, just click on approve right here to actually approve on what we have actually done so far. So next is the paperback rights and pricing. So as you can see, you have the option whether or not where you want to actually sell this one. So you can actually go to all territories and individual territories right here. So you can just select a certain country that you want to actually sell your certain type of product. So I'm just going to select all territories right here. And the primary marketplace, it is on Amazon.com. And as you can see right here, we can now so set our pricing and royalties. So as you can see, the minimum on Amazon.com is actually 3.58. So we can just actually have a price like 3.6 or let's just say $4 right about there. And then once you have done that, it will automatically convert all of this right here. So on the Amazon UK, it will cost you around 3.22 pounds. And on Amazon right here, it would cost you around 3.74 euros. And just scroll on that, and actually right here on the Japan, it actually has a minimum of 703 yen. So let's just select that one and change the price like 710. And next right here on Amazon Australia, so let's just select this one. So as you can see, the minimum is 7.90, so let's just make it $8. So as you can see, once you are done with this, make sure there are no errors. You can now actually publish your paperback, or you can just simply save as draft if you still don't want to do this. So once you have done that, just select on publish your paperback, and it will simply just save right here. And now once you are done with that, it will lead you to this page right here. It says save successful. And there you have it. Your paperback has been submitted. So they will review your book to ensure it meets KDP's guidelines for book details, contents, and quality. So if it passes their review, it can take up to 72 hours to be available for purchase on Amazon. So after 72 hours, they will notify you that, hey, your book is now ready to be sold or to be sold online, so you can now actually start selling. So I guess that's it for this video, and I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do find it helpful, be sure to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course, click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!